Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let me directly get into this step. So what you need to do is, as the first step, you just need to go over here in the settings. Now from here in the settings, you just need to go over here and tap on the general. And now over here, as you can see, if you scroll down, you can see there is an option called AirPlay and Continuity. First, you need to tap on the AirPlay and Continuity. And over here, as you can see, automatically to the AirPlay, just select this one. And by default, in most cases, this is be never. So what you need to do is you have to change either to the ask or you can change this to the automatic. So it's all depends on your concernity. You can go for the automatic. So once afterwards, you just need to go back. And now from here, you have to go to the notification over here. And right now, you can see there is an option or an icon similar to the screen mirroring. And if you tap on this one, you can see the screen mirroring isn't getting processed, which means any nearby devices within the range will be shown over here and you can screen mirror your iPhone successfully. And that's how you can do this. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for these kind of videos. See you soon in the next video. Bye.